Hello everyone. Today I'll be giving you a demonstration on another basic motorcycle exercise that you can try on your own on the comfort of your own parking lot, park, garage, wherever you're at. This is something that you can do it yourself very easily, and it's the U-turn box exercise. I highly recommend you get a set of cones for you to do this. I got myself a set of mini cones. I got at Amazon. I paid a little bit too much. I paid $38, but I still feel like it was worth the money. Well, in order for you to do this exercise, one thing you can do is find a parking lot that has parking lanes, and you need to set up a box that is approximately 24 feet wide. Why 24 feet, you may ask? Well, at least in the United States, a standard two-lane road is roughly 24 feet apart. So really, you are trying to exercise and practice the ability to do the U-turns on a two-lane road. Well, here it is. All right, folks, so this is pretty much it for the U-turn box exercises on a parking lot. And now let's go ahead and move on into a real live street situation. The principles, the same principles still apply when doing a U-turn, but now, because there's actual people and real cars, you need to be even more alert. You need to make sure that you do it when it's safe not only for you, but safe for everyone else out on the road. Having said that, let's not forget, when you do a U-turn, make sure you look to where you want to go. Apply a little bit of rear brake if applicable. Make sure you lean your bike. Have command of your friction zone, and most importantly, be confident. Be confident. If you're going to do a U-turn, make sure that when you're going, you're committed and and you are going to be able to do it without stalling your bike or dropping your bike. Here it is, coming up pretty soon. That's that. All right. This is pretty much it for today, guys. I appreciate you guys watching the video. I know it was a little bit painful with all those loops of exercises, but that's what exercises are for. Okay, this is why we exercise, so we can gain confidence, and that confidence can hopefully be transferred into a real situation. All right, guys, stay safe out there. Until next time, bye.